The power supply unit.
It's the power supply unit. As you see, it fits in this little slot right here. And you take this screw with the screwdriver and you fit it in this hole. You screw it in until it's nice and snug. There are 3 screws that you have to put in. Take the second screw, put it in the bottom. Make sure it's nice and snug. Then you take your third screw, put it in this little slot right here where you can set the height. Make sure you get it in the hole and then screw it so it's nice and snug. These are all the cords that go into all the different components. This big one right here goes into the motherboard. And this is the PSU, or power supply unit.